Second technology is with our electrolyzer, a simple electrolyzer which we have studied in our schools. Why the water gets contaminated? Because our water pipes rust, herbicide, pesticides, all the debris, biodegradable products, presently we are even seeing drugs in our drinking water. Yes, definitely we are killing our kidneys with all these contaminations. What has happened with our electrolyzer? 100% we are seeing the changes, the color of the water which is looking to be rusted, boiling. Our water purifier is the only system in Asia with the Water Control Association Gold Seal, and definitely it has all the award-winning seals, the RO Technology Trusted Brand 2008. Second, inorganic contaminants, dirt, sediment, asbestos, total dissolved solids, calcium, fluoride, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfate, sodium, heavy metals like arsenic, nitrate, nitrite, barium, cadmium, chromium, copper, lead, selenium, radioactive ions, radium, disinfection by products, chlorine, trihalomethanes, all these are 100% present in the boiling water, even in the ozone water, ultraviolet rays, the carbon block filter. Here we can definitely see digoxin, herbicide, pesticides have been removed, dirt and sediment is removed, but not the total dissolved salts. Even in alkaline ion water, all the products are present. Distillation, everything is removed, but digoxin, herbicide, pesticides plus chlorine and trihalomethanes are present. Whereas the recommend what I am doing for you, the RO system, purification system, helps to remove all the solids present in the water. Do we need minerals in drinking water? No. Remember, minerals are part of our nutritional requirement. Water is not nutrition. Virtually all minerals in tap water are inorganic, dissolved rock or stones. Thus, they cannot be assimilated well. Hence, calcium content in 1 glass or 100 gram of milk will contain 113 milligram of calcium. Whereas, if at all, if we have to provide the same calcium content in the water, we are supposed to drink 75 bottles of 500 ml mineral water, which is not at all possible. The body's need for minerals is largely met through foods, not drinking water. Otherwise, we will be accumulating in our body the 65 kg, 65 kgs, 200 to 300 pounds of salts, which we don't know what are they. That's why they cause you stiffness in joints, hardening and blockage in arteries, gallstones and kidney stones. So there is no such thing as a purification method that selectively allows only good minerals to pass through If the water contains minerals, you can be certain it is contaminated water. By definition, is just H2O. Thank you.